Brian Pierce of the Pierce Brothers. We're going to shoot a unique little tiny gun today. Now, we've known Dick Casul for his development of the Model 83, the big 454 Casul. But prior to that, if we go clear back in time, in the 1960s, he developed this little tiny mini revolver in 22 short. Very unique thing. This one's a Rocky Mountain Arms Corporation. It's got a very unique locking bolt here. It's patented, of course, but the locking bolt cams off the left side of the hammer. No room down here really for lock work, so the locking bolt's right up on top. And it's, of course, 22 short. And it's cold out here. I'm having a hard time